Pinterest surfaces content through three primary channels. First, it shows you content of people you follow. It surfaces content through two other primary channels. One is search results, or search engine optimized results. This is things or phrases people are searching for on the Pinterest platform, i.e., how to make a chicken pot pie would surface chicken pot pie recipes. The third channel is visual search results. And what Pinterest does is that when you do search for something and you click on a piece of content, it shows you other pictures of relevant content that may match that criteria. This would be similar to a function on Amazon when you're shopping for something and it shows you other things you might like to buy that are related. Pinterest shows you other pictures that look very similar to what you've just searched for or just selected. So by focusing on these later two channels, you can actually direct a large amount of traffic to your website or landing page by utilizing the SEO or search engine capabilities within the Pinterest